Hello everyone, this is Isha Sehgal, South Asia Advisor for College of the Rockies. We are excited to share that we'll be participating at Canada Education Roadshow for our September events. The cities that we are participating in are Amritsar, Chandigarh, Ahmedabad and Kochi. College of the Rockies, for those of you who do not know, we are located in the southeastern part of British Columbia, but in the city named Cranebrook, and it has wide variety of industries for you to get into employment opportunities. For example, hospitality, business, health, computers, or for that matter, STEM. And I am excited to discuss with you what possibly fits right for your career and eventually let you start your journey in Cranebrook City. So see you there and discuss about your journey in Canada, British Columbia.